Hi, my name's Aaron and I'm with Fleetistics, and today we're going to be talking about a contest that we're going to be hosting online to give away this super rugged, super powerful flashlight. And Steve from US LED Solutions is here today. He is the US and Canadian distributor of this particular flashlight as well as other LED products. And Steve's going to tell us about this flashlight and then we'll tell you more about the contest.
Alright, we have a Phoenix TK72R here. R is for rechargeable from the external. This has 3 Cree LEDs. Cree is the best manufacturer for your LEDs. The lifespan on it is 50,000 hours. 8 years of runtime.
So essentially that's a lifetime flashlight.
It is.
You're never going to use a flashlight that much. If you are a miner, you might use a flashlight that much, but other than that, you're not going to use 50,000 hours worth of light in your lifetime.
That's right. And then we got 5 years warranty. Not many companies have that. Any problem at all, right back to you as soon as possible.
And think about what a 5-year warranty represents. You know, you may buy a decent flashlight or a reasonable flashlight for work, and that might be a 3-cell, D-cell flashlight, but you might buy 3 or 5 of those over a 5-year period. And because this is rechargeable, you're not paying for the batteries to keep that flashlight going. So, this is 9,000 lumens. Think about what that is. If you go to your home goods store and you buy a flashlight, you're talking about 800 lumens, 900 lumens as kind of the high-end brightest light that they have in the store. This is 9,000 lumens, which gives you visibility up to 287 meters. So you could be almost 3 football fields away looking at something with this particular light. I mean, it's just off the charts crazy at how bright this thing can be, but you can also step the light up and down if you want to conserve battery.
That's right.
Right, you can...
From 50 minutes on the lowest setting, or the highest setting, excuse me, to 50 hours on the lowest setting.
Yeah, so if you're doing a routine search looking for your keys or something in the dark, that's one thing, but if you're searching a neighborhood, you're looking for a perp, you're doing a rescue inside of a burning building or a building where the lights are out in the neighborhood, maybe you're looking for somebody in a house that's collapsed, this kind of light you'd be able to crank up to get more light and be able to see better. So from a law enforcement perspective, 9,000 lumens, you're going in and you got a hostile inside. I mean, that thing almost becomes a weapon at 9,000 lumens, right? So very, very rugged and exciting flashlight.
Comes with a really good holster that can be on your molly pack or on your belt loop. Here's that external charging for your cell phone. So when you're out in the dark and out in the woods, you can get some more juice that way. And it charges in about 30 minutes, 45 minutes, full charge.
Wow.
The turbo button will hit that 1.5 seconds and you have light. 9,000 lumens right there on the turbo button. Then you can go down 100 lumen increments. With the OLED display here, you get your percentage of your battery, and it'll give you how much length of time of usage is left on this battery charge.
So think about that. You buy a good flashlight, let's say it's got 3 D-cell batteries in there, and you're relying on that flashlight to do your job. So it's important to have light when you go into a hostile situation or doing a search. So what do? You're constantly replacing batteries. A, it's environmentally unfriendly, but B, you're spending more money than you need to because you can never get below a certain percentage. And if you're in doubt, what are you going to do? You're going to replace the batteries. With this light, you simply hook it up, 30 minutes later, you're charged. Look at the size of that thing.
7-volt battery.
Yeah.
Special battery, but like I said, 5-year warranty.
Pretty awesome. And the LED screen is clear. It lights up so you can see it in the dark. No troubles there. It is waterproof, is that correct?
Waterproof, IP68.
IP68, down to 2 meters underwater.
That's
so
right.
Almost a scuba light, but not quite. Certainly if you drop it in the water, you can keep on going. So pretty awesome.
Aircraft aluminum, 60-60-11. You can run this over with a tank. Indestructible. It should last you for 20 years.
Weighs about, what, 1.5 pounds?
At least.
Yeah. You can see in my hand, it's not very long, so when it is on your belt and you're trying to maneuver, you don't have a big light flopping down. If you're running, chasing somebody, or something of that nature, it's compact and good to go inside of a case with a good strap on it. So, we're going to post the URL down below so you can get more information on the contest. If you want to follow along on the status of the contest, obviously, join us on social media, and we'll keep everybody up to date. We're going to give this light away before Christmas. We want to get this to you with enough time that you can get it wrapped in under the tree for somebody special, because this is a really cool flashlight, and we want to see someone get excited about this when they open it underneath the tree. So, we appreciate you, and we're going to see you online, and happy holidays.